The wind is sharp, the air crisp, but the sun still reaches us, whispering an invitation to step outside. What is Mother Nature saying today? The wind tugs at us, the golden light dances on the ground. A reminder? A message? Maybe just a moment to be. Home feels different after time outside. A meal that warms, bitter but familiar, like life itself. Korola tarkari in Bangla, or as we say, bitter gourd curry in English, a taste that reminds me of home, of roots, of simplicity. We have this with white rice and red lentils. It's absolutely delicious. Outside, the wind howls still. Inside, warmth, quiet, the soft rhythm of cooking. It's a perfect kind of solace. Thank you so much. Bye.